Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setup for today. So as usual, starting off with Euro USD, and you can see we are still trading within this trading range at the moment, and we did start getting some bullish price action, but we have still got the crossover of the moving averages, and that was basically just a retest of the moving averages. So for me, levels are still the same, so we're looking for break below 120785, break and retest below that, and that validates this big head and shoulders here. I think my bias is still slightly to the downside at the moment, and the other thing you can see that has happened here is we have broken through this trend line. Now this trend line is basically, in my opinion anyway, a flag. So what we should be seeing on the retest is a move down to, and let's just get the retest in. I'm just going to use this level up here. That would make sense for the retest there. Right, so what we're looking for is a retest of the break at 121.094, or probably 121.100 area. Retest that, reject that area, then that validates this flag break for me, and we're looking for 120331. Now markets are crazy at the moment, so just be very careful. Make sure you can handle the stop. It's got to have to be above this flag break at the moment. US dollar, Japanese yen, flag has broken. We're on our way to the measured move at the moment, as far as I'm concerned. We do have a little bit of overhead resistance. Well, not a little bit, it's quite a bit of overhead resistance here. So I would expect some kind of a pullback and then a continuation. These two bars here are a little worrying. You've got a range bar, then a sort of a hanging man. So the Asian session, low volumes, could be driving things up. Look at my oscillators at the moment. I wouldn't be wanting to jump in long up there. Definitely would be waiting for pullbacks to get some structure. So pullbacks, and you can see the levels are here. So 104.082, 103.890, and then even all the way back down to 103.643. It is crazy things on the market today, and I think it's going to continue a little bit today. Volatility is going to be massive, and it's really just it's all related to the long play by retail traders on GME, and then the brokers actually shutting the retail traders out and preventing them from buying and only allowing them to sell, thereby forcing the share to be shorted. And I think there's a lot of fear based on that, of the manipulation of the brokers and the actual power of the retail trader, which has been proven now. So anyway, I think that battle's still going to continue a bit, and that is what's adding to this volatility at the moment. British pound, Japanese yen, still looking for a move to the upside. You can see we sort of hovered a bit and then broke out. So for me, pullbacks are to be bought right now. Yesterday we had a fairly decent opportunity all the way down here at 142.292. Gave you that level yesterday, and you can see we bounced off it right there inside bar. Nice price action off that second bit of price action. There was the first bit of price action on the level, second bit of price action, and we rallied. So same thing basically applies now. Looking for pullbacks, and all you can do right now is just move your levels up. This level stays 142.652, and you have another level here of 142.869. So I would wait for pullback structure and then look to buy and go with that trend as well. Aussie dollar, US dollar, still in this flag. I'm not entirely convinced either way on the dollar right now, so still sitting on my hands with the dollar. Euro USD, the only one that's really playing out is US dollar, Japanese yen, but Aussie dollar, USD, we're still in this channel, and it is a bearish channel right now. We are sort of drifting ever so slightly lower. However, and you'll see on the index videos as well, you'll see that we've rallied and we've sold off. This looks like a bit of an exhaustion bar to test a level, and there's my level there. So this is playing out in all the indexes at the moment as well. So the question on my mind right now is basically, is that just a pullback of a very strong bull trend, which takes me to the top of the channel, which is probably what I anticipate going to happen. Anyway, not something I don't want to be playing, because look where my stop has to be. The stop's got to be all the way back down here. So sitting on hands with the dollar pairs at the moment. Euro, British pound, we are in downward trend. We're still bouncing off the 33 moving average. You can see every time we pull up, the sellers step in. So that was the level yesterday, 088743. Buyers that step in off that. Sorry, sellers stepped in off that. Pretty clear, you can see there. And you can see what that level was. You can see the importance of that level. So anyway, that's... the other thing is, just bear in mind that the measured move, which was this one here, that played out. You can see we got to the measured move and then sold off. So expect more of the same, guys. It's this level is intact, 088474, so expect to pull back to there, and even as far as coming back up to 088534, and then we want to sell again. So that's kind of my view there. Go with the trend. Trend is down. Last pair is British pound, New Zealand dollar. We're still waiting for this break. I do believe it's going to happen, although the last 8 hours have been a little bit all over the place. And if we look at the 1 hour, you can see we've come back, kind of missed this level. So let's just readjust that level. There's the swing high. That's where we bought off. So start lining up your levels again, and what I'm looking for is pull back onto structure, and the first bit of structure I'm looking for is 191236. This trend is up. This could be a bit of a flag forming. If I can just show you here. Okay, so there is my channel. Big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion at the moment. So if we do break above this, there is a bit of a level here. There it is there. So we break above this, come back and test it. That definitely gives us the opportunity for longs. But I'd want to be buying off a little bit lower. So come back and test any one of these levels here, between 191 and 191, 191. So that is pretty much my views today. Expect volatility, guys, especially on the dollar pairs and US markets. There is a lot of anger at the moment within the retail trading base right now. So there's a lot of noise going on, and you'd have to be switched off completely from the news not to see the noise that's going on. So just be careful. Anyway, that's it for me today. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch up with you on Monday morning. Cheers for now.